Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit customer invoices on QuickBooks Online in 2025. If you're managing your business finances, knowing how to efficiently update invoices is essential, and QuickBooks Online makes it really simple. Let's dive in and make it easy together. First, head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Click on Sign In at the top and make sure to select QuickBooks Online from the product options. This ensures you're in the right place to access all your business financial data. Enter your username and password. Remember to use a strong password and a secure network for safety. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales section. This is your central hub for all sales transactions, invoices, and customer financial details. Click on the Invoices tab to see a full list of all your issued invoices. Here, you can easily check due dates, outstanding balances, and more, making it simple to find the invoice you want to edit. Now comes the key part, editing an invoice. On the far right of each invoice, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click it, and you'll get all the editing options you need. You can change the invoice date, amount, terms, or even individual line items. Keep in mind that editing a sent invoice can affect both your records and your customers, so communicate any updates clearly. QuickBooks Online automatically keeps a log of all changes, which is super helpful for audits or future reference. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can fully edit any customer invoice on QuickBooks Online. It's fast, user-friendly, and helps you keep your business finances organized and accurate. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing.